My dear students, the third level MCQ 31 to 40 means the last part. Today I am going to present before you, but before starting I would like to say something about a very important character of this chapter, Louisa. Louisa is Charlie's wife. She is very loving and caring. She is a simple lady and it is not difficult to take her in. She refuses to accept the observation of the psychiatrist that her husband is not happy. She takes this comment as a personal attack and feels kind of mad. On being told the modern world is full of insecurity, fear, etc., she feels satisfied with the psychiatrist's explanation. When Charlie talks to her about his predicament regarding the third level, she gets alarmed and advises him not to look for the third level anymore. Her husband's exchanging the new currency with the old one is a cause of concern for her, and she tells Charlie emphatically to stop looking for it. When Charlie tells her about Sam's disappearance, she joins him in looking for the third level every weekend. Okay, so let me continue with the last part, multiple choice questions 31 to 40. Question number 31. What was the strangest thing at the third level? Options are A. Beards, B. Mustaches, C. Dresses, and D. The corridor that led him into the past. Question number 32. Where was Charlie often lost? Options are from a train, B. from the footpath, C. from an escalator, and D. from a subway faster than bus at the central station. Question number 33. What did Charlie find in his stamp collection? Options are A. old addresses, B. hairstyles, C. old letters, and D. first day cover. Question number 34. What happens when Charlie enters the Grand Central Station? Options are A. he finds a huge tree like station, B. new staircases, corridors and tunnels, C. a tree keeps spreading its roots through rooms and windows, and D. all of these. Question number 35. What convinced Charlie that he had reached the third level Grand Central Station and not the second level? The options are a different world of gas lights and brass spittoons. B. Beard and mustaches of 1894. C. Newspaper with a date June 11, 1894. And D. All of these. Question number 36. Who had sent that first day cover and when? Options are A. Sam's father, B. Sam's uncle, C. Charlie's friend Sam, and D. Sam, a psychiatrist in 1894. Question number 37. Whose signatures were there on the letter? A. Charlie's teacher, B. Sam's friend, C. Sam's, and D. None. Question number 38. What did the letter state? A. That everything is okay. B. That Sam is joining them. C. Third level do exist and Charlie was advised to keep looking at this worth-seeing place. And D. None. Now the last two questions. 39. What was Sam invited for according to the letter? Options are A. For a party, B. For a tea party, C. For a bachelor's party, and D. For a lemonade party. Question number 40. What kind of appearances people had at third level and why did the clerk refuse to accept money? Options are A. Funny and clerk refused to accept money because it was currency of modern times. B. Weird and notes were big. C. Weird and notes were torn. D. Pleasant and notes were wet. So these are the last 10 MCQs for you, and the correct answers will be before your eyes. Be ready. Yes. Question number 31. The correct option is D. 32. Again the correct option is D. 33. D. 34. D. And 35. The correct option is D only. Now 36 and 37, they have the same correct option, C. 36 C and 37 C. 38, the correct option is C again. Question number 39, the correct answer is option D, and for last question the correct option is A. So I hope you have enjoyed and got the maximum marks. Be ready for our next chapter, poem. Okay, till then, bye. Thank you.